Wow, it is a beautiful day outside. And guess where we're going? That's right, Mocan. We got a 2 days racing up a Mocan. This is the famous Memorial Day race weekend up in Mocan. It all starts Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. Bracket races are on Saturday and Sunday. So test and tune tonight if we want to. If not, we'll just enjoy the show. But definitely we're racing Saturday and Sunday. We are racing 2 classes. So anyway, what we're gonna get going here this morning is get the trailer connected up to the truck. Still waiting on Pops. He's not here yet. So let's go ahead and get started, get this trailer door open, and get ready to get out of here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's right. It's time to get started to go racing. Okay, got the trailer out of the shop. Pops, I saw him just pulled up here just a few minutes ago. So we'll be leaving here about, I don't know, 30 minutes. Anyway, still got more stuff to get from the house over here, and we'll be getting out of here. So here we go. We are just about ready to pull out of here. It's about 11:24. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's about 11:24, and the temperature shows 88, which I know that's not true. So the truck's been sitting out here in the sun. Anyway, just waiting on Pops to get out here and get on down the road. And that's right, we're gonna make a stop. We usually stop in the morning, but we're gonna do it for lunch. So anyway, you'll see that later on in the video. So until then, let's get out of here. Okay, words of advice for today.
Win, stop at Sonic for lunch.
Well, for today, stop at Sonic. Yeah. Tomorrow, win. Okay, here we go.
And Sunday, win.
And Sunday, win. Okay, that'd be nice, double up. So here we go. Yep, we made it. Pop's going over to get our order. Hopefully he remembered what I wanted, so I assume he'll get it just fine. We'll find out when he gets back. Well, look what he got. He's got a bag of goodies. What'd you get?
I got a whole bag of good stuff to eat from you know where.
Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, that's right. Oh yeah. And usually this time of year, it's not summer yet, but usually they'll have some, say, summertime on or something like that. Oh well.
Next time.
Next time. Well, there's the end of the track, and we did make it. It's about 79 degrees out there. Got my
beautiful day.
Yep. Got my good buddy John hold me a spot up here. So I'm sure it's going to be pretty busy here. As we swing by the track here, you can see all the people got stuff roped off for them. There's still plenty parking here at this time of the day. So should be no problem. There's Mocan sign. So you can see all the people parked over here. Okay, let's get inside here and pay the lady. Show you. I did that. That diesel leaked out. Anyway, see how kind of damp it is here, but it is a nice day. That's John next to me. We kind of parked next to each other. We're gonna have a lot of stuff here. It's Andrew. Hey buddy.
I'm making the YouTubes.
Yes I am. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Pretty good. Okay. Time to get the car out of here. Ooh, we are having fajitas tonight.
All right, can't wait.
Yep. Ah. It's not what you want to see Saturday morning. That's rain. John Rutley's dragster that he's going to be racing this weekend. Woo. Okay guys, welcome back. This is day number 1, Saturday here in the Mocan. We had a little bit of rain come through. You can see the blue skies are coming. But we are starting on time at 11 o'clock. They just made a first call in Sportsman. So with that, we got the car all warmed up. Mr. Rutledge over there. Actually, his son's gonna be driving that one. John's got the dragster. You've seen that in another video. But anyway, we're getting ready to get our cars warmed up, ready to get up there and do our first round of qualifying. So with that, there's Pops. Anyway, with that, let's get up there and do some qualifying. Then from there, it's elimination time. Okay. Get some gas in it. Made 2 qualifying passes. 64 and a 68 and a 64. First pass I did is something stupid. I forgot to ran the pump and the fan, so she got extremely hot, and forgot to ran the vacuum pump. So anyway, it's all loosened up now, so I think we're good to go for the qualifying round 2. So let's get ready for that. Okay, we got round 1, no E coming up. I got a 665 on it right now. It is a lot hotter than when we qualified, so I think it's a good dial. So here we go. Got round 1 coming up for Super Pro. Dialed up just a little bit, went a 666 on it. Is running a low 67 with a 1 on that no E pass. So put a 666 on it. Hopefully that's the key for Super Pro. I took 20 out of my delay box, so it should cut the light a little bit quicker. So we'll see if I went the right direction. I think I did. So anyway, let's get up there and see if we can get this round 1. So here we go. I think I got a fairly fast door car, so I don't think I have a dragster, but won't know until I get up there. So anyway, dial in 665 the first one, and I did a 666 on my Super Pro. I got out of it. It ran a 672, but I just had a really good light. I had a 20 light on that one. The no E had a 24. So anyway, gone to round 2 and go from there. I think round 1 Super Pro 360 camera messed up. So. Guys, we got 2 white slips now, so we're on to round number. Hang on. Down, please. Second round winners. Okay, we're going to round 3 now. Both classes. That last one, they made adjustment on the box and it showed I had a 009 to his 001. His car just didn't run the number, and neither did mine, but He was off by 6, I was off by 3. I just have a feeling the track was just a little bit slick. They had a jet dragster out here, small tire, get out of the groove. I think it's gonna spin a little bit. 60s split's about the same between my 67 pass and my 70, so I don't know. I mean, it's either the track is kind of greasy and you're just spinning going down the track, or something else is going on. So round 3 for no E, I don't know what to do. Either 67, 68. I had a 68 in it last time, so we might put a 68 on it this round here and go from there. So here we go, round 3 coming up for both classes. Round 3 coming up in Super Pro. Got a 68 on it. Not too sure I have yet. I think it's a roadster, so we'll find out when we get up here. But anyway, I think he's quicker than me. Not gas, yeah, I guess it's gas. It's not diesel. Okay. Okay, third round, no E. Got a Leo yellow slip, but third round, Super Pro. That's right, got a white one. Another great light, 003 to an 011. I just about screwed up in that Super Pro. I actually let off of it and ran a 72. And only 100 miles an hour. So, but finish margin 0.027. So, got to be lucky some of these, some of these times. Anyway, but the no E, I just got my butt kicked. Logan, he had a 28 light to my 74. So, congrats, Logan. Congrats, Logan. You deserve it. So, go and win it. So, anyway, with that, round 4 of Super Pro. I'm not too sure how many we're down to. I know no E is 19, but Super Pro is so much bigger class. So anyway, on to round 4, here we go. Okay, this is a 5th round of Super Pro. Got a another fast dragster, so I'm definitely going to be leaving first. So here we go. I upped the dial to a 670. Hope that's a smart move, but I think it is. I need to dial pretty darn tight. So let's leave a 670 and hope she runs a 670. So not getting out of it unless they really mess up in a bad way. But anyway, here we go. Well, good morning from Mocan. This is Sunday morning, and you know what? I forgot to do the closing statement for last night's race. Anyway, yeah, let's talk about last night. We did pretty good in Super Pro. Got down to the 5th round and just red lighted the sucker. So shame on me, but it was 002 red. But man, it was a close race. I really enjoyed the race in Super Pro. So man, I couldn't ask any more. No E, not as much. I just couldn't hit the tree worth a flip last night. So anyway, but with that, hopefully some of the videos I shot you will like. Some of them I messed up on. Battery just died. So with that, anyway, hope you enjoyed everything, the video content stuff. But Hey, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please share this video if you can. Hit the little bell binger, and that'll let you know that, hey, I got a new video. So with that, till the next race.